What is good, YouTube? Back at y'all with another video. I know it's been a while. I've been really busy with the COVID-19 and work and all that stuff, but I'm back, I'm better. Haven't even been able to get a haircut, let alone shoot and edit videos. But today we're gonna be going to the dog park and figured I'd take you guys on the road with me. And yeah, let's get into it. Before we get started with this video, I want to give a shout out to all of my subscribers, all of my supporters, all the people that watch my videos, like my videos, stuff like that. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video and all that. If you guys are on Facebook, make sure you guys check out my new group. It's called Corsos and Constrictors. And let's get into the video. Alright, so before we head out, I'm gonna start with a little bit of training. Hey, sit. Wait. 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 Alright, sit. Sit. Down. Down, Lola. I got these new treats. They're like these little balls. They come like this. They're a little bigger than I usually give them, so that's why it's taking them a little bit longer to eat them. So I just opened the day. No jumping, Lola. Sit. Wait. Down. Down. Wait. This is something that they struggle with a lot. So instead of, see, how he didn't wait, he doesn't get a treat. No, sit. Lola, sit. Down. Down. All the way, Nipsey. Down. No, down. Down. Wait. Wait. Okay. Oh, you missed it. You see, let her get both of them. So, yeah, about 3 to 5 minutes a day is all you need. Now we're gonna get ready to head on to the dog park. They always know when they're about to go somewhere because when they put their collars on, that means it's time to go. They're like, oh, I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna grab my hoodie and we'll head out, right? Get this door open. Wait. 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 Okay. No. Alright, made it to the dog park. They getting excited, they know where we are. Nipsey, relax. Put my hoodie on. Get them over there. I think we're the first people to get here. We're a little early, but I'm gonna get them over there. I can't do it one hand. I'm the only one here today, so yeah. See y'all in the park. As y'all know, my dogs poop as soon as they get here. Got the whole place to yourself. What you gonna do? Nipsey like, where everybody at? Since there's no dogs here, that means I gotta walk around and whatnot. Show you how we play fetch. There's 100 of these balls that people never just pick up. So Nipsey runs and gets it. Oh, Lola must be tired, but he never brings it back. He just makes me grab another one. And that's that. Got a new dog coming in. Let's see how this works out. Oh, Lola's scared. And she's like, yes. Lola's like, Dad, where were you? Have fun. Go have fun. Lola. Shouting at me. Got a new pup coming in. Looks like he's got a lot of energy. Nipsey's gonna love him. Or her. Lola, on the other hand, will be afraid. We'll see once they notice. Nipsey sees him. He's about to go. Yep. There they go. Uh-oh. Go say hi, Nipsey. Who's that? Lola finally playing. Usually she's right up under me. And of course, as soon as I say that, she comes back. But Nipsey just got his first dose of territorial male. I don't know if you guys can see, but the older dog over there by the tree is aggressive, so he's attacking all the dogs in the park, and Nipsey don't like it. Get down! He's never been challenged to that degree, so he's a little sad. But I mean, he's tired anyway. We've been here about 45 minutes, so he's tired anyway. Now he won't leave my side. But she says it's because he's still got balls or whatever, but like, lady, your dog's attacking every dog here. So, big old male. But yeah, probably head out. Don't want any problems. Don't want Nipsey to tear her dog up. So we'll head out. You know, it really sucks to see that when you can't control your dog, you want to make excuses like your dog's not neutered, so it makes my dog want to attack your dog. And I'm just like, no, you have no control over your dog, period. I tell my dog to stop, he stops looking at your dog, he stops sniffing your dog, he stops everything with your dog, and your dog beelines for my dog to attack him. And it wasn't just my dog, it was all the other dogs in the park who were getting harassed by this big old dog. And here comes this big old lady. Well, it's because your dog has balls on him. It's my dog just doesn't like unneutered males. Which I get it, unneutered males are challenging or whatever, or they do have more testosterone than your dog would have or whatever. But Nipsey has never been attacked at this park by many other male, neutered, non-neutered dogs, because their owners raise them correctly and actually have some control over their dogs to the point to where that won't happen. But for you to bring a dog that's that aggressive towards other dogs to a dog park, for me, you're asking to get sued. Because if you're like, let's say I have a little dog who's not neutered or whatever, and your dog attacks my little dog and seriously hurts him, kills him even, I'm suing. Don't care, I'm suing. Luckily for me, Nipsey's big enough to hold his own. He didn't attack the dog, but he definitely got him off. And by me saying, you know, leave it, Nipsey, or Nipsey, let's go, he left it alone. What I could have done is let it go on. They would have gotten into a full-on fight, and Nipsey would have really hurt that old dog. But that's not the way we live. And yeah, sorry about the rant, but I get a little sensitive when it comes to my babies. And then for you to go from your dog attacking my dog, instead of saying I'm sorry or I'll watch him better next time, your dog shouldn't be in here because he's not neutered, or my dog doesn't like non-neutered dogs. Well, guess what? The sun doesn't rise and set on you, old lady. So if you can't socialize your dog properly to where he can be around other dogs, then you don't need to take him to the dog park. That's just my view on things. If you guys think something different, or let me know what you guys think about that, just drop a comment in the description below. I'm gonna stop with the rant, and I'm gonna let y'all get on with y'all life. I know y'all got bigger things to worry about than my pups, but I do appreciate the support make sure you guys hop on over to my Facebook group. It's called Corsos and Constrictors. It's gonna be kind of Corso stuff. It's gonna be reptile stuff as well, if you're into that, you know. And that's all I got for you guys today. Kind of pissed off now because I had to be the bigger person. I had to leave the dog park, but it is what it is. I'll be the bigger person. I ain't tripping. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time with good content. Lola! Say bye? Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.